Start off with a distorted synth lead. Then layer a huge bass underneath that. Layer another distorted synth above that one. Can you spot a recurring theme yet? Then do something like this with Fruity Granulizer. And finish off the melody with this reverse thing. For a bit of background vocals, we've got Chet Hanks, yes, the actor's son, speaking patois. No, he's not Jamaican.
Big up the whole island, massive, it's your boy Chetana.
Add some huge kicks and a snare with an absurd reverb tail. Then chuck some percussion and stuff in the background. And here's what it should sound like.